The lower house sees the amendment of a law as one of the solutions to bring down the prices of rice. However, because of processes involved in amending such a significant measure, lawmakers would need the help of their counterparts from the upper chamber and the palace as well. Why? Again, Melales Moras explains in this report.
Flor always buys rice when she goes to the market, specifically the premium and high-quality type. However, Flor noticed no matter what type of rice is available, the price is high and continues to rise.
Yung binibili ko talaga, yung on top na bigas talagang like 65 per kilo, hindi ko pwede i-sacrifice yun. Kasi kunti lang kami magkanin tapos hindi pa yung talagang gusto namin.
Dapat masarap na?
Yes, dapat masarap na. So hindi namin sinasacrifice.
Here at the House of Representatives, Speaker Martin Romualdez is pushing to amend the rice tariffication law to bring down the price of rice in the market. How? Through enabling the National Food Authority to sell affordable rice to the public again.
Yung tinatarget natin na by June, we should bring the price of rice down by at least 10 or even 15 pesos, na close to 30 pesos kada kilo. We will do this by having the NFA bring to the market affordable rice para sa lahat ng mamamayan na pwedeng silang bumili ng abot kaya ng presyo ng mga 30 pesos. So ito po ang bahagi nating mga amendments na pinapasan natin.
The lower house is aiming to pass the proposed amendments before the Senate adjournment of Congress this month. But to fully realize their plan, they need support from the Senate and Malacanang.
We urge our friends in the Senate na gawin nila nitong urgent, and we will ask and coordinate with the Office of the President. Kaya ito po ang gusto talaga nating mahal ng Presidente na ibaba ang presyo ng ating presyo ng bigas para sa mamayan.
House Deputy Majority Leader for Communications Erwin Tulfo, for his part, said Speaker Romualdez had instructed the House Committee on Agriculture and Food to fast-track their proceedings on the matter. He explained, once implemented, it would significantly help our fellow Filipinos.
The rice tariffication law prohibited the NFA from selling rice directly. Right now kasi it took away the powers of the NFA to sell rice. Ang ginagawa ng NFA ngayon, mag-imbak ng bigas para sa calamity, para sa DSWD. 10 years ago, before this RTL law, bumibenta ang NFA, di ba? Yung mga walang pera, bumili ka ng NFA. Ngayon wala kang mabiling NFA kasi mga mahal nga, 56, 50. Yun ang target ngayon.
But for consumers, what can they say about this plan of the House?
May mga NFA naman tayo na masarap din. Naranasin natin yan during pandemic time, di ba? Meron naman din. Agree ako doon na ibalik nila kasi mas marami talaga yung can't afford.
Earlier, the administration also assured to continue efforts to further lower the price of rice in the country. Melales Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.